In our new feature, Task Duplication, you can save time from creating the same tasks over and over again. So for this webinar 1, I have subtasks that I do all the time. So for any parent task with subtasks, I can come here to the duplicate on the overflow, give it a name of webinar 2, select if I want to keep my assignees and notify them, and then select what else in these tasks that I want to keep. Since I'm creating new tasks for webinar at a new date, I'm just going to keep the assignee and click Duplicate Task. You can see now I'm in the task card and all of these tasks have duplicated. And if I click Close, you can see that they're all here. And now I've saved myself so much time from having to recreate these tasks over and over, and I can just give them their proper start dates now.